Social media has become one of the most accessible and widely used sources of information for analysts, investigators, researchers, and decision makers. Platforms such as X, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and other online forums provide a constant stream of real-time content that appears to offer insight into public opinion, emerging trends, criminal activity, and social trends. Because of this accessibility and volume, social media is often treated as a form of raw data that can be accessed quickly and acted upon. However, the presence of information does not equate to the presence of truth. Social media content is not neutral, representative, or organically distributed. It's shaped by platform algorithms, user incentives, emotional engagement, and coordinated manipulation, and cognitive shortcuts of those interpreting it. As a result, social media analysis is especially vulnerable to bias at every stage, from what content is seen, how it is interpreted, to the decisions based upon it. At its core, social media analysis involves the collection, interpretation, and assessment of user-generated content to support understanding or decision-making. Unlike traditional intelligence or research, social media lacks consistent standards of verification, content, reliability. Posts are often anonymous, exaggerated, incomplete, or intentionally misleading. Yet despite these limitations, analysts frequently assign high significance to social media. This creates a critical analytical tension. Social media feels timely and authoritative because it's public and widely shared, but in reality, it often reflects a narrow or distorted view, a manipulated slice of reality. Bias plays a central role in how analysts navigate this environment. Cognitive biases influence what analysts notice, how they frame problems, and what explanations they find most convincing. Confirmation bias can lead analysts to seek out posts that reinforce existing beliefs. Availability bias can cause emotionally charged or viral content to be overweighted. Anchoring bias can cause early narratives to shape all subsequent interpretations, even when new information emerges. At the same time, decision-making pressures amplify these risks. Social media is often used in fast-moving situations where there is pressure to assess threats, inform leadership, or justify action with limited time and incomplete information. In these contexts, unexamined assumptions and biased interpretations can quickly become embedded in reports, briefings, and decisions. In summary, social media analysis is not just a technical task, it's a considered, judgment-driven process. Understanding bias is therefore not optional, it's foundational to professional, ethical, and desirable analysis. Before analysts can evaluate content effectively, we must consider our own thinking, our own biases, our own judgments in order to come to effective, reliable conclusions.